within this page, this becomes important. Mitigating fertilizer crunch via coal gasification affected. This coal gasification becomes important.
That particular word is
Yeah, that, and they have explained it and how this is useful with respect to India. I mean, India is still to achieve its targets that it has made with respect to coal gasification. So they have tried to analyze this whole situation, correlating it with the current energy crisis that is there. So this again becomes important. This is also an important news item, which says that shipping crisis exposes gaps in India's maritime strategy. Why the shipping crisis? We have also faced this during the COVID time as well. That the shipping containers, there were less number of shipping containers with India. Now we have less ships. So whenever there's a global crisis, like the one that is currently going in Iran, and so due to that crisis, there's a crunch of these ships that are there, that are traveling across the world, because many of them are sanctioned, so they cannot move. So in such a situation, there's a need for India to have its own ships if they really want to import or export something. So that you'll get to know about this when you have the syllabus in mind. I say this repeatedly, that when you have all the pointers of the syllabus in your mind, you'll look at the newspaper and you will realize that this becomes important. This FPOs becomes important. FPOs struggling, policy paper recommends government aid. What are FPOs? What are their uses? So you'll read about it. Yeah. These are not important. What the political leaders are actually saying. This political news, they change every day. These are not important. What one politician had said about the other politician, it doesn't even make much of a sense if it is not creating any controversy.
it makes into controversy that it will be
If it makes a big controversy, so sometimes those controversies are related to some issues from the past. Like there was a controversy regarding the Vande Mataram controversy, like 2 to 3 months back. So someone made a statement, then that issue sort of snowballed, it keep on developing. And there were a large number of developments that came after that. Okay. So then that becomes important because it is related to an event in the past. So it can be asked in the examination. So it was about Vande Mataram. They can ask you about a question in prelims directly about Vande Mataram. They can ask you who wrote Vande Mataram and what were the other writings of the person who wrote Vande Mataram. So this is how they frame the questions. And having a track of current affairs, we can utilize it this way. On the first page, up to 6 disqualification of MPs doesn't make much of difference because this news item has already been explained in the later part of the newspaper. Got it? Mass to Manipur CM's household, not needed. If this is going to be an important news, then it will be covered over the next couple of days or for the next week. So it will become an important news and an issue in itself. Then we will analyze it. You can have a reading that this one, and you can read the initial like 2 to 3 paragraphs. That can be used.
comes once again, so we have to focus on.
Yeah, we have to focus. If this news keeps on coming that there's an issue in Manipur, then it will become important because northeastern India is a sensitive region for the country. So if there's a crisis that is going on in Manipur, then we need to understand the whole issue. Some basic history as well, that why this issue has come out. You must be remembering the Manipur issue that came 2 to 3 years, around 2 years back. Yeah. So regarding reservation. It started with the reservation, something related to that. So that becomes important. And when you are continuously reading the newspapers, you will realize that which news items are important and which are not. If someone has made a comment about that we'll do this one, that in itself is not important. Right? Currently, India is conducting its census. So the census chief has called Count the Vulnerables. So now what is important in this news item is who conducts the census, who are the people who are involved in conducting a census, what are the challenges in conducting what were the shortcomings in earlier censuses that were there, what is it new that we are doing this year. This is a completely digital census this year. This is how you get to analyze these things. We don't have to focus upon the fact. We have to focus upon the issue and the philosophy of what the news item is trying to say. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, there is this news item. Study shows why chronic pain and depression go hand in hand. For your knowledge, you can read this. I mean, there's nothing bad about it. But from an examination perspective, it is not. It is not a important news item. By turning to AI, now this becomes important. They have tried to cover some aspect of AI here. For a personal advice is a bad idea. That how AI is sort of coming into our lives. What are the changes it is bringing, and what are the challenges that are emerging out of it. So they might cover some of the other points regarding that.